Okay, well, moving right along, this just came out today about Diddy's lawyer quitting. One of his lawyers, one of Diddy's defense lawyers quit, and it says it was for the criminal trafficking case.
Are you ready to say he done?
Not done.
We now this is what they said. The lawyer's name is Anthony Rico. He filed a motion Thursday to withdraw as one of Diddy's 6 defensive attorneys.
Right. They probably have a different point of view on strategy
without explanation. So yeah, there's been no official word as to why he stepped down.
Right.
It's just left for internet to speculate.
Exactly. So, and when you got a complicated trial like that, it's probably, and you got 6 attorneys. He's not the lead attorney, number one. Yeah. You feel what I'm saying? So they probably have a different point of view on strategy. That's all. And then he just like, all right, well, let me get the away because what I'm pointing out, you ain't trying to hear. So let me get my ass out.
He's like, show the freak off tapes, and they're like, no.
What Anthony Rico's motion seems to be asking for is a mandatory withdrawal, which means the judge doesn't have discretion to let him or stay on or off the case. It's mandatory because there's an ethical conflict between Anthony Rico and his client Sean Combs. The judge has to let him off the case because Anthony Rico cannot discharge his ethical duties as an attorney. That's what he seems to be asking for. That's not what he actually asked for. In fact, his motion is super unspecific.
You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if you show all the freak off tape. It's not against the law to have freak offs.
I'm of the ones who want to see the freak off tape. Just to have
a clear definition.
That's all.
What you need a clear definition of what a freak off is? It's a bunch of motherfuckers.
Exactly
you just want to see. You just want to see who exactly it is and what exactly they was doing.
I'm gonna be honest.
What's the definition?
You can put the little thing over their face.
Masquerade.
I don't.
They
care.
probably did that.
You can put the thing over their face.
But the fact of the matter is,
need clarity.
But that's not enough for a man to go to prison for, though.
No.
And mind you,
that's the reason for a lot of
mind you. Now this is listen. I told y'all. Listen, man. I told y'all. He ain't gonna do no time. Eric Adams.
He ain't gonna do no time. But right now, Puppy would say that he's doing time.
He ain't doing no time. I'm gonna tell you why.
No, he doing time.
Oh, he doing now. Right now. You're right. And
he not doing time.
Okay, all right. He's not gonna be convicted. How about that? He's not gonna be convicted.
We hope not.
We hope not.
He's not. I'm gonna tell you why. Because the prosecutors of the Southern District of New York, a lot of them have resigned, especially since last week when the DOJ told their asses, hey, just don't drop them charges against Mayor Eric Adams.
You know what? Trump is president, so
right.
he definitely.
Thank you. All his lawyers got to go do Trump. Hey, Trump, I got $1 million. I got $2 million for you. What's up?
Get off.
DOJ, go ahead and tell the Southern District of New York, let Diddy out.
I know they close.
Come on.
So he might get
He gonna pay. Ain't no Mike. Trump was at Diddy parties. There's pictures of Trump at Diddy parties.
At the freak off?
At the freak offs. I don't know if it's freak. I know it's Diddy parties.
So was Trump on the island? Was Trump also on Epstein Island?
Video then.
Was Trump also on Epstein Island?
Say what?
Was he also?
Yeah, he was on Epstein Island. Yeah. So again.
Epstein offed himself too soon again.
He offed
himself too
soon.
soon.
Well, that's different.
He offed himself?
He had.
Where else you get a trash bag from?
It wasn't. It wasn't trash. Well, they said
he offed himself too soon.
The thing about it is, if it ain't already happening in back channels already talking to Trump. Look, if he was offering $50 million for bail, right? Trump got $10 million right now. Let my ass up out of here. DOJ,
Trump
go ahead and drop them charges against his ass. Let his black ass on up out of there. Watch Diddy don't do no time.
That's why now.
Keep free Diddy.
That's why now this case is definitely could go either way.
Listen, man, I told you, man. A lot of the prosecutors in the Southern District have resigned, bro.
I know Trump. I'm good.
I told y'all that shit. Man, I told y'all this shit. I said Trump getting off, Diddy is out. They gonna pay Diddy gonna pay his ass some money, and he gonna get the out, bro. We already seen it. Trump done order the DOJ to drop the charge against Eric Adams. So what? We already know you pay that money to Trump, he gonna let you out.
I wouldn't be surprised if Diddy walked.
Man, Diddy ain't doing no time, bro.
You think his lawyer leaving is related to that case they released the day before about Diddy saying he's been singled out by racist U.S. laws, and this is a clear case of selective prosecution? And Diddy was saying that his legal team claimed that the U.S. law is racist, and the reason he's being singled out is because of the prosecution.
It's true.
Now, keep in mind the lawyer that left his team was black.
I understand that. It's true. You know why? Because Michael Amplecraw, he got the same type charge as Diddy. He got out on a $10 million bond. Diddy was offering $50 million, and they wouldn't let him out. What'd they say? Oh, he's a danger to society. Come on, man. This man has never been convicted. He's never been to prison. And you're going to label that on, he's a billionaire. And you're going to label that on him. Well, you had another billionaire who had the same type charge, got out on $10 million bond. So he's right.
I mean, I agree with him. This is definitely selective, and I'm sure there are lots of white people who have been in the same situation that have yet to experience prison or even a conviction, or some haven't even been charged.
Some of them have been convicted of 34 felonies, and they made it to the damn president.
This is for Diddy. He locked up.
He didn't lock up. How he locked up?
President?
How he locked up?
Nothing's happened in his favor right now at the moment.
As of right now.
But don't be surprised they not already having conversation back channel.
That's why with Trump being president, and because I know they have ties to each other. I know Diddy and Trump.
Of course, they from New York. They in New York.
And like you say,
New York City, New York City, New York State. Everybody know everybody, especially if you got paper.
So if Diddy do go to prison, I'm looking at Trump like. Wow,
he's not. I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be.
Prison, I'm looking at Trump like,
look.
Wow.
Here we go. Let's do this. No. Let's do this. This is a scenario you definitely gotta watch out. Let's say Trump ain't gonna take the actual bait to show. Oh, he paid me off to get out. Right? We'll let you go through the prosecution. You get convicted. All I gotta do is pardon your ass, and you get the out. That's it.